Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Palantir stock, and this has gone ahead of me. Well, yeah, I didn't catch on to this thing for some reason. Wow. Yep, so guys, just as a disclaimer, I don't have any position in Palantir, and also anything that I do on my videos is only for education purposes. Please do your own due diligence. Nothing is financial advice here, okay? So, Palantir. Strong move is coming in, and what do I expect out of it now? Well, so the thing is that the move has actually already gone through its course of the direction here. Now, so yeah, let's talk about, is it worth it to even enter here, or is there a possibility we can see a pullback onto this thing? So yeah, let's talk about the price action, right? So this is where, as you can see, this demand zone that previous videos that I have talked about on Palantir, is that this is where the demand zone has been acting. And even though I took one short play here, which was successful from $21.74, but I booked all the profits at $20.65 back when I was doing the video. You already know about this update, because it was just not breaking below $20.65, this previous demand zone area, right? So this has been constantly holding as a support, and then Palantir, after that, formed a pivot here, and that was it, guys. That was pretty much it. We started to go above 20 days moving average. Like, this is the place where yeah, time to enter. But if you already see my videos, you understand how to read the price action. That was the area to go in, with the stop loss on the other side, like below 20 moving average or wherever as per your risk tolerance, but at least below a particular pivot. So yeah, Palantir is bullish, period. I mean, this thing can continue to the next level of $25.52. Not saying that just it's going to come green, green, green candle, but as long as now Palantir stays above $22.92, it's just bullish. Even if we come down to $22.30 from where the price is right now, that will just keep Palantir bullish in the structure. These are just the pullback zones on Palantir. I don't expect it at least right away come down to $22.30. If it starts to do a pullback, we might be bought back up at $22.93 or even before that, because these are strong demand candle zone. And so this is just plain bullish. So let's even see if there's any pullback coming in on this. No, I'm not seeing any pullback coming on this thing. At least not right now. So the areas, if any pullback comes, to watch would be, yeah, well, one pullback has already happened. Just follow the 20 moving average on this. The trend line is quite steep on this, so I don't want to follow this, but sorta you can follow this, but it's quite steep. So yeah, watch. Well, the structure is bullish, even if we do a pullback to $22.92, right? But if any pullback has to come, watch the 20 hours moving average. This is just going super strong. And yeah, this thing is just right now, yeah, guys, it's just higher highs, higher lows. There is no structure break right now to the downside on this. But anyways, when the move has happened, it gets a little bit risky. I know my swing bot if you have my swing bot, you would have already gotten a position way earlier. But as for this time when I'm doing the video, the most of the move has happened. But in my opinion, this will remain bullish now. Well, as long as structure stays above $22.91. And if we slip below that, there's another saving point to remain bullish at $22.30. Accordingly, positions can be built with size in, size out, manage the risk on the positions, and accordingly. Anyways, just a quick update I wanted to provide on the technicals of Palantir, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. All right, if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.